In Flutter, if you want to show an app bar or a header, all you need to do is just to call the app bar inside the scaffold widget. So I'll put scaffold here. When I put it, you see that it has a lot of options here, and one of those is app bar. I'll just call that. It accepts the class app bar. Then AppBar has also other options. For you to see the immediate effect of it, you just say colors.black. Then I'll reload so that you see the change. Then it does that, right? And there are also other options inside the AppBar, like the leading. This is the same as React Native, where with the list item you say leading. This is the leading will be at the left. It's a widget which is at the left. Then the title is at the center, or pretty much close to the left side. Then at the very end, instead of trailing like for the list item or the list style, we have actions. Actions are pretty much the buttons that you put at the end. So if you want to put something at the start, you can say leading. You can put basically anything. In this case, I'll just put an icon. Then I'll say, let me just select any icon. Then you can see that icon ABC right there, right? In this case, I'll just say const. Okay, so with title, you can say title as well. So it's outside the. With title, you can say title as well. Title, let's put some text, and let's just say home. Then you can also put the trailing, which I said, trailing widget, which I said is the actions. Now actions basically takes an array. As you can see, it's an array of widgets, so it will be an array form like this. Then in this case, I'll just put the icon, this one, so that you can just see. Okay, so as you can see, it came out nicely. We have this trailing object, which for intensive purposes, let's just say arrow back or arrow left, because usually this is the let's just look for another one. Let's just say arrow circle left. Then here, let's just say notifications or notification add. Let's just put that one. Then I'll say const here. Then once I do this, you see these are the options. Ideally, you would want to just push this, maybe add a bit of padding to the right so that you can clearly see. But this is basically how you put or you show an app bar or a header in your application. It's as simple as that.